These messy room transformation videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and this Instagram page had gained more than 160,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. Some of his videos got 10.8 million, 16.1 million, and 13.5 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in just 5 minutes.
Okay, the flooring guys are starting now. We need the electrician ready by noon. Make sure the walls are prepped for paint.
Right there, against the wall. Power connected, turning on the LEDs.
Let's put the rug here and clear this debris.
Wow. Oh, this doesn't even look like my house anymore. This is unreal. Look at those lights. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
I am going to show you the totally free method to create this by yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribe because we are starting immediately. First, go to ChatGPT. Here go to Explore GPTs. Search for Room Glow Up and click on the very first result. Open it and click Start. It will instantly ask you 4 things: your area, your style, the person who lives there, and any special details. I am going with living room, modern, a heavy-set women, and LED lights. Hit enter, and it will provide full messy room transformation image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are tuned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your first image scene will be ready in just a few seconds. Choose the one you like, click the 3 dot and choose Add to Prompt. Copy the image prompt 2 and paste it in. Repeat the exact same process until all your images are done. Now let's convert them into video. In the video section, choose frames and your desired video settings. Drag the first image to the start frame and second image to end frame. Copy first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter and your first video scene will be ready in a couple seconds. Now choose the second image as start frame and third image as end frame for the second video, and repeat the same process for the next scene. Now when the fourth video comes, click on the last image, choose animate, choose ingredients. Copy video prompt 4, paste it in. When all your videos are done, download them. Import all the video in any editing software you like. Place all the clips in correct sequence from start to end and hit export. Your messy room transformation video is completely ready to go viral on social media. Subscribe to more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped you, and we will meet soon in the next one.